Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A54, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. Now, to get started, open up your settings. From here you want to scroll down to battery and device care. Tap on your storage. Swipe to the side and you will see SD card. Once you do, click on these three dots right here and select format. This will give up a quick information that format SD card. Everything on the card will be erased. So obviously if you have anything on it that you don't want to erase, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made that copy or just simply don't want to, select format. So begin formatting the card. It will disappear from here, but after a moment, once it's finished, which should be right about now, we should have it appear again. There we go. So, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.